Let me ask you something real. How can you be confident in something you don't even understand? Think about it. People come to me all the time saying, I'm not confident. And I ask, why should you be? You don't eat well. You binge watch shows. You never read. You never challenge yourself. How can confidence grow in a place where nothing is being built? You're not lazy. You're just stuck in comfort. And comfort kills confidence every single time. Let's take athletes, for example. Ever seen a footballer question their ability before kicking the ball? No. They show up every day. They train, sweat, fail, try again. They build skill. And with skill comes confidence. They don't sit around wondering if they feel like it, because confidence doesn't grow in feelings. It grows in discipline. You want to feel confident? Stop relying on feelings and start relying on habits. Look, I don't feel like going to the gym either. Most days I'd rather stay in bed, but the truth is once I'm done working out, I feel like a beast, unstoppable. Confidence doesn't come from thinking about doing something. It comes from actually doing it. I've trained myself to push through the I don't feel like it moments. That's how confidence is built, brick by brick, rep by rep, choice by choice. I recently read this incredible book, The Mountain Is You. It said something that hit me hard. We're not wired for happiness. We're wired for comfort. We chase money not for joy, but because it offers stability, comfort. We don't really want luxury. We want peace of mind. So when we step into discomfort, like working out, learning a new skill, our body resists. But that resistance isn't bad. It's a sign you're growing. Don't shock your system with huge changes. That never works long term. Start small. Go to the gym twice a week. Do 10 minutes. Let your body adjust. Let your mind believe it's normal. Because once it does, confidence grows. You become someone who does things, not someone who wants to do things. Start small. Stay consistent. That's the real path. Doctors don't shake while holding a scalpel. Why? Because they know their stuff. They've practiced, rehearsed, failed, learned. If you're new to the gym, yeah, it's awkward. Machines look scary, but after a few visits, you'll walk in like you own the place. You'll know what works. You'll feel powerful. All it takes is time, consistency, and showing up. And trust me, no one in the gym is watching you. No one's judging you. Everyone's in their own little battle. You think they care about your form? No, they're too busy worrying about their own. Everyone's insecure. Everyone's trying. Just show up. Just move. That alone puts you ahead of the version of you that stayed home. You want to hear crazy? I used to be terrified of heights. Like couldn't even walk up a staircase. If I could see through the steps, I'd shake, tremble. But last year, I jumped out of a freaking plane. Skydiving, because I realized fear grows in silence. Fear feeds off comfort. You can't build confidence hiding from discomfort. You build it facing it head on. I used to get bright red in the face anytime someone spoke to me, like tomato red. It was embarrassing. And the more I worried about it, the redder I got. Until one day I just said, screw it. So what if I get red? And the moment I stopped caring, it stopped controlling me. You see, acceptance is a weapon. Once you accept your quirks, no one can use them against you. I had social anxiety too. Couldn't look people in the eye. Would freeze in public. Then I saw this YouTube challenge, wave at people on a passing bus. I tried it. Some people waved back, some ignored me. But you know what? I didn't die. I felt free. Like I just broke a rule I made up in my own head. And ever since then, I just started talking to people, anyone, anywhere. And guess what? People are awesome. You'd be surprised what happens when you just start talking to people. We're all a little weird. We all carry something. And the more people I spoke to, the more I realized we're not alone. We just act like we are. You want to meet the right people? Go out, sign up for classes, talk. That stranger at the cafe might be your next business partner, your next best friend, or your next breakthrough. Stop waiting for perfect. My first YouTube video, I hated it. My lips looked weird on camera. I refilmed it. Almost didn't post it, but if I hadn't, I wouldn't be where I am today. I realized something. Perfectionism is fear dressed up as standards. You're scared of judgment, of looking stupid. But guess what? People don't care as much as you think they do. I get comments all the time, your lips look crazy under that light. And I don't care, because people may laugh, but they're still watching. And more importantly, I know I'm helping someone. My message is more important than my looks. If what I'm saying is helping people, that's enough. I'm not here to be pretty. I'm here to be powerful. So many successful people started out clueless. They didn't have a plan. They just started. Learn as you go. That's the secret. Build a routine. I wake up, hit the gym or yoga, do my skincare, thank God, and go about my day. Nighttime, same thing. Shower, skincare, gratitude, reflection. These rituals keep me grounded. They remind me I'm worth taking care of. Self-care isn't about bubble baths. It's about respect. If you don't shower, eat right, or clean your clothes, that's not laziness. That's self-neglect. People treat you how you treat yourself. If you respect your body, your energy, your space, others will too. So even on bad days, I make sure I look clean, smell fresh, and walk like I matter. Because I do. Posture is a power move, literally. I went to a chiropractor recently and he said, movement is everything. Doesn't matter how you sit, just keep moving. I chose yoga because it makes me feel strong and aligned. Movement isn't just for health, it's for confidence. You carry yourself differently when your body feels alive. Try it, you'll see. I had to create a whole new version of me. I was silenced growing up, told to shut up, that I wasn't smart. So I created the wizard Liz. She spoke up, she gave advice. She wasn't scared. And eventually I became her. I stopped pretending. I started believing. And now that version is me. Sometimes you have to build the next you before you feel ready. Visualize your highest self. What do they do daily? What do they eat? Who do they hang out with? Before you make a decision, ask, is this what my highest self would do? If not, don't do it. Don't text your ex. Don't skip the workout. Don't waste time with energy drainers. Live in alignment with your best self until one day that version becomes normal. Here's the truth. People are not thinking about you as much as you think. They're thinking about their bills, their stress, their future. Even those who hate on you, they'll forget in a week. So why waste your energy on their opinions? Use it to build your life, build your dream, build yourself. Because at the end of the day, the only person you really answer to is you. Finally, love yourself through the process, not just the end goal. Right now, you're trying, you're showing up, you're learning. That's enough. Look in the mirror and say, I'm proud of you. Say it every day. Hug yourself. Compliment yourself. It might feel weird at first, but it's powerful. Because confidence isn't just about being strong. It's about being kind to the version of you that's still becoming.